Hello everyone, this is SheShe, and today I'm coming on with an Aliexpress haul. Yes, I am coming back to you with just some basic nesting dies, and I hope this will help any of the beginner crafters out there who don't know where to begin with what supplies they need. So what I'm going to show you is something like for the scrapbookers out there. This is a great set for a mini album. So let me see if I can zoom out just a little bit so you can see just how big this is. Now this die is the biggest die in the set, and I'll show you just how big it is in comparison with a Big Shot plate. So this is a Big Shot plate, like the regular Big Shot, and this is the biggest one of the set. And as you can see, you have about 1/4 of an inch on both sides of the plate to run it through your machine. Okay, now I did make a example cut with the smallest one, and I'm going to hold it up to the camera so you can see the detailed stitching around it. Okay, so that's how it looks, and it has about 5 dies in the set. Okay, I didn't have a chance to put it on some magnet sheets. Okay, the next one is great for cards, big cards, and again I'll show you in comparison to a Big Shot plate. It is a heart set, and this is the biggest one in the set. It looks like this, and you can run it through the machine this way or this way, and you have enough room on both sides to do it this way, but I would prefer to run it through this way. Okay, and this is how well it cuts out, and again you can make a card with it and go it that way. Okay, and this is the stitching around it, and it's really big, and there are, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dies in the set, and I hope they're still available. I've had this haul for a while now, like over a month, and I've been debating whether or not to do a video. It's been a hard decision, and many of you out there know the reasons why, but hopefully this is a okay video to share because they're all nesting dies, basic dies that you can get anywhere. This next set is frames, and they're all scallop edges, and they all cut out these frames like this. So this is the smallest one of the set, and they're stitching around the frame on the inside. It cuts out this little rectangle for the inside, great for shaker cards, and then if you want to use this as a negative, you can do that. So I'll hold that up to the camera. You can see the negative. Here's the frame, and here's the rectangle that comes out of the frame. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces in that set. Here's another rectangle set, just basic set, and it is the outside inside rectangle set. It cuts out this great stitching around the frame. When it drops out, you get this beautiful stitching rounded rectangle. So great for shaker cards. Here's another set, square, basic set for any beginners. You get the outside inside stitching around the frame, and also the inside. Again, I'll see if it's still available and link all the where I found it. Okay, here is another set of nesting dies, round set. This is how the smallest one cuts out, and this is the little design it shows on the inside. And then the next one is like, let's see, oval set. Let me get the, it's a really beautiful design, just basic. Okay, next I want to share, great for Valentine's Day. This is the inside outside heart set, and it has oh, and the other sets that I shared with the circles is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. The ovals is 4 pieces. So this heart set has 7 pieces. You get little hearts and 3 inside outside dies. And here is what you get when you get the smallest heart. You get that negative piece with the stitching on the inside, and here's what you get. Okay, so that's what you get for that set. The next set I'm going to show is squares. Really beautiful set. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. This is how the smallest one cuts out with that design on the inside. These two sets that I got, the squares and a rectangle, are from the same seller, and I ordered them together. And then this next set that I'm going to share with you after this one came out after I've already ordered this one, and I really love the design on that one, so I ordered the rectangles again. So this is how this rectangle looks. Really great for sentiments. So it looks like this. Beautiful set. I just love the design on this one, and then I love design on this next one. So share with you how this one looked. So yeah, it's a repeat, but the design on the rectangles were pretty, so I got that one too. And the rectangles on this one has, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dies, and the rectangles on this one has 4. So this is what you get for this one. So I like the differences between these two. So hopefully these are still available. I apologize it took me so long to share with you this video, but it was a hard decision, and I just thought I would go ahead and move forward and do the video. So here's the next one. These are some basic dies, great for the beginner crafter. This says birthday girl. So if you have a die that just says happy birthday, then you can just say happy birthday girl, or you can use the negative pieces that cut out, or you can use this. So difference there. And then I also did purchase the birthday boy. So I didn't cut this one out, but you get the idea for both dies. Okay, so that is my haul. I will do my best to link to you the sellers that I purchased this from. If you don't see it, then it's more than likely no longer available. Again, I apologize for the late video, but I decided to move forward and go ahead and make this video. So thank you for joining me today. Take care. Have a fabulous day.